So recently I made a video on how to remove unused images from your WordPress website, and I got a comment like how you can remove extra photos from our Blogger website. So technically it is not possible to identify which images are unused on your Blogger website, but you can select manually and delete all of the unused images from your Blogger website as well. So let me just show you how it works, how you can access all the photos, images, videos uploaded to your Blogger website. So for this, let me log into the Blogger dashboard here, and here all you have to do is remove this URL part, and you can add like media manager. So keep it without space, media manager, and let's hit enter. Now it will redirect to a page like this where you can see all of the images that is being uploaded to your Blogger website. So if you have multiple websites on the same account, then you can see all of the website here. So let me find the right one here. This is the website we are talking about, My Test 2022. So let me click on that, and here you can see all of the images that is being uploaded to this website. So you can select all the images. So you can click on select multiple, and you can select all of the images and delete it, or you can select manually. So let me select some of the images and let me click on delete. Now let's click on delete here, and this is how you can remove all of the unused images from your Blogger website. Now if I click on again here, and if I click on here, click on Blogger, and I need to select the right album. So this is the test album here, and you can see all of the images are removed from this. And if you want to upload some of the images again, let me click on that, click on browse, and let me select some of the images, and let's hit open. Now all of the images will be uploaded again to our media library. So let's wait for it, and let me click on OK. Now let me click on compose view, and the images are being uploaded. Now you can access those images by clicking on Blogger and click on the album, and as you can see that these images are uploaded again. So this is how we can reuse the uploaded images or delete the uploaded images from the media manager. So all you have to do is just go to the blogger.com/media manager. So I will provide the link of this page in the description, so you can click on that and access all of your uploaded images in Blogger, and you can individually select those images and delete it from there. I hope you got the idea how to open the media library in Blogger and how to delete unused images in Blogger website. And technically it is not possible to identify which images is not used on your Blogger website, but you can manually delete multiple images at once and free up your server storage. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.